Hi, I'm Bill Allison, and I'm an ERISA lawyer. I'm guessing since you're viewing this, you probably already have some idea of what that means. You may have been denied a benefit to which you were due. You may even have tried to find a lawyer to help you, and you haven't been able to do so before now. Don't give up. We're here to help. ERISA stands for the Employee Retirement Income Security Act. The law was originally passed by Congress to protect pensions, but it's been interpreted very broadly by the courts to apply to all employee fringe benefits, including health, dental, medical, life, or disability insurance benefits. You may wonder why it was so difficult for you to find a lawyer who would be willing to help you. It's because ERISA cases are very, very difficult. It's a minefield with traps for the unwary, and many lawyers who get into it without experience have very bad results and don't really want to ever go back to it. What's so bad about ERISA is that the federal courts have decided that it makes sense to nullify or cancel out all laws that relate to employee fringe benefits. That includes even state laws that are designed to protect you from unscrupulous or greedy insurance companies' unfair practices. So without those protections, you are left with nothing but the ERISA procedure. Let's say your doctor recommends surgery, but the insurance company, for some reason or another, decides they don't want to pay for it. Or let's say your doctor says you can't work because you're disabled, and again, the insurance company doesn't want to pay you the benefits that you expected to be there. Under the ERISA procedure, you have to appeal that decision to the same insurance company that denied it in the first place. Well, of course, in most cases, they're going to just simply deny it again. And then what? Well, then you have to go into court. But you can't go into court until you finish that process of the appeals. And then you can only file in federal court. And then even when you file in court, if you can find a lawyer to file it for you, you're not ever going to have your real day in court. You're never going to be able to call a witness on your behalf. You're never going to be able to testify on your own behalf. You can't introduce any kind of evidence. You're going to be judged by a judge sitting alone without a jury. And he's not going to be listening to testimony or listening to witnesses or anything else. He's simply going to look at what the insurance company did. He's going to look at their file. And before he decides whether you're right or wrong, whether you deserve benefits, he's going to have to first decide whether the insurance company was what lawyers call arbitrary and capricious or just downright unreasonable. And unless you can convince that judge, in most cases, that the insurance company was arbitrary in its decision or just downright unreasonable, you're never going to get to the question of whether you deserve benefits. Now, does that seem fair to you? Well, it certainly doesn't to me, and that's why I devote my practice to helping people work through this jungle of ERISA litigation. I fight ERISA insurance companies, and my clients win. There are ways to boost your chances of winning. They include making sure that the insurance company's record contains every bit of evidence that supports your side of the case. We also look at proving that their decision was based on or infected by their own greed. We know the law and we keep up with its fast-paced development. If you need help, contact me. I'm only a click or a call away.